Hi, in this video, let us see how to split a field into multiple fields. If you have string fields in your data that contain multiple units of information, for example, first and last name of a customer, it might be easier to analyze the data if you split the values in that field into separate fields. So in this field, it has the customer name with the first and last name. I'm going to separate this field into two new fields having just the first name and another field having just the last name. For that, you need to click on the inverted triangle icon here. Click on Custom Split. And the separator here for the first and last name is space. So I'm going to enter space here. And I'm going to split off first because I need the first name. So anything before the space would be captured in this field. Click OK. And the new variable, the new field is created here with just the first name. I'm going to do the same thing for the last name. I'm going to enter space here and split off last. So anything after space would be separated in a new field. So if you see here in this field, it has the last name. So let us see another example. Product name. The product name is having a comma as a separator. So let us do custom split. We need to mention the comma as a separator and split off first. So anything before the comma would be put in this field. If you see here, there is a new variable created with just the strings before comma. So this way you need to do the custom split. Thanks for watching, and I will meet you in another video.